Okay. So this is the police. He is chasing the car, isn't it? So he is moving from north towards this junction, and car is going in this manner towards east, and this moving towards north, means north to south it is moving. Now at any time I am telling y is equal to position of the police and x is equal to position of the car. Okay. So PC is equal to s, distance between them. So when y is equal to, this is given, y is equal to 0.6 kilometer and x is equal to 0.8 kilometer, then they are finding the distance between them is increasing at the rate of 20 kilometer per hour, right? Now dy by dt is 60 kilometer per hour, means he is moving with 60 kilometer per hour. You have to find out at what velocity this is moving. So we have to get the relationship between x and y, x, y and s, isn't it? X, y and s. So what you know, very simple, x square plus of y square is equal to s square or not? X square plus y square is equal to s square. That's all. That is the only equation we need to get. Okay. X square plus y square is equal to s square or not? So differentiating with respect to t, 2x dx by dt plus 2y dy by dt is equal to 2s ds by dt, right? Make this as equation 1. Divide throughout by 2, x dx by dt plus y dy by dt is equal to s ds by dt, right? You know, in this equation you know dy by dt, you know ds by dt, ds by dt, you know dy by dt, dx by dt we have to find out. And here you see, here x, y and s relationship is given, right? So make it as equation number 2, because I need to substitute the value for x, I need to substitute the value for y, and I need to substitute the value for s. They have given x value is how much? X is, so 1 implies at x is equal to 0.8 kilometer, y is equal to 0.6 kilometer. 1 implies what? 0.8 the whole square plus up 0.6 the whole square is equal to s square or not? Is equal to s square. So I will get the value of s now. Okay, this too you remember it. Okay, ds by dt is nothing but, I'll write down here, ds by dt is 20 and dy by dt is 60, right? These two informations are given. So ds by, we'll find out this now. So this is 0.64, s square is equal to 0.64 plus of 0.36 is equal to, so s square is equal to 0.1. I think it will be 1, isn't it? It will be 1 because 100, isn't it? So s is equal to plus minus 1, plus or minus 1, isn't it? So it is 1. Omit the negative. Dy by dt is decreasing, am I right? Dy by dt and x is increasing. As per our figure, dy by dt it is coming down, no, descending this is, right? So this should be negative. So substitute here negative, where is that? Here, it should be negative, right? So this should be negative. So this gives me how much? Plus 56 divided by 0.8, isn't it? Plus 56 divided by 0.8. So 560 divided by 8. So which will give me 70 kilometer per hour. Now it is okay. Now it is okay. Understood? So this is the, this point we must, okay, we must, this is the key point. You should not do this mistake. This is dy by dt is descending actually, right? Then only he can catch the jeep, no? Catch this car. So he has to come down. He cannot go up. It has to come down. So that's why dy by dt should be negative. So that is where the answer was coming like that. Okay, understood? Clear? So here we must omit the negative. Why? Why? Because distance between them can never be negative. It can only be positive because it is the magnitude, distance between them, isn't it? So this will be only positive. So omit negative. Here you write it, omit negative. Omit minus 1. Okay, clear?